Yeah. Hi, Dandy. A good girl. Thanks, you're a good girl.
Dandy's just thinking, what is going on
in there?
If you like me so well, why don't you come out? Huh? Yeah. Because I would like to get a little closer, huh? What do you think, Dandy? Huh?
Good girl.
Oh, man.
Okay. I know. We need to have a tape recorder.
Yeah.
He's videoing it.
Oh, good. Yeah, we see the dog. Yes, the doggy.
Yeah.
Sean, is that video?
Yeah.
Wow. Good for you.
And it,
The fingers?
you can email the video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.